Welcome. We are going to see a common problem and a quick solution for it. The problem is this. I am in a chat. There are 3 people in the chat: assistant, boss, and sales. You can see the top right corner. Red means boss, purple means assistant, and pink means sales. Now, assistant is going to type something, but it's a loop component. But problem is, as soon as I create this loop component, I get this message. Some recipients won't be able to view. There are only 3 recipients. They are all part of this chat. So ideally, they should be able to edit it. So this is the problem. The same problem comes when you try to arrange a meeting in Teams, add people to it, and then add loop components as agenda. When the meeting starts, some people don't have access to that agenda. So if you are a user and you are having this problem, you don't need to see the rest of this because you will need to show this to your IT person and let them solve the problem for everyone. You need to be an admin for Microsoft 365. So question is, why is it saying some people may not have access? Now I'm in Entra portal or Azure-AD portal. I have filtered on user type empty. And that's the problem. User type has to be either member, which is formal official person who is a part of the organization, or guest who is from outside the organization. If the user type is empty, loop components and many other things just don't work because the system is not able to identify, is this a valid user or is it an external user? Out of curiosity, I tried to find out how can user type be empty. And the reason is very interesting. The property called user type did not exist in early days. It was introduced only in 2014. So if you have created a user in Office 365 before 2014 September, then the user type remains empty. So how do you solve the problem? First of all, go to Azure-AD portal, search on this user type equal to none. You will see the list of people. Now, of course, you want to make sure these are internal people and they should be given member access. If it's a guest type of user, please do not give member type. That is going to lead to sort of data leakage, and external people may end up having access to things which they are not supposed to have access. Now that you have identified the users, we have to do this one by one if you want to do it through this menu structure. So click on each user, go to Edit Properties, scroll down, and you will see user type. Change it to member and then save. Do this for all the users you had filtered earlier. Once you do this, it'll take a little time to synchronize, and then onwards, the problem is solved. If you want to do this programmatically, it can be done using PowerShell. You'll have to go to PowerShell, connect to MS-Graph. So these are the commands to list the users, and this is the command to update the user type to member. Do this with care because it can have side effects if the wrong set of users get member permission. So if you found this useful, please share it with all your IT friends so that they can implement this solution and benefit lots of users in the process. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.